It's not just tearing itself apart. It was doing happy a cow, a pig and a chicken walk into a bar. Bo the end vintage shirt, now it's front and center. And it affects you in a very real way. Every single day. Let's be real here. The world is an awful place. The only way to function is to ignore how awful it is. To a certain degree. But now you can't. You get daily reminders. It may impact you directly depending on which demographic you're part of. Not only are you dealing with the pandemic, but you may also feel like you have to get involved politically where you may not normally have. It can be really draining. Happy a cow, a pig and a chicken walk into a bar. Bo the end vintage shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt, and hoodie. Happy a cow, a pig and a chicken walk into a bar. Bo the end vintage hoodie, sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck. Most of it is either people who happy a cow, a pig and a chicken walk into a bar. Bo the end vintage shirts rely on and social approval and reassurance, not getting other products.